For the gram, Snapchat, for your home.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed.
So hard that your hat can't feature. Either I'm with you or against you. On that venture. US, you just lay down slow. Recognize the real dawn when you see one. Sipping on boom, back to back to Cali, Cali.
He's right here. Here we go. Oh, them two. Oh, we got a winner. Right here. Okay, left in it. All right. Okay, here we go. Are you ladies ready? On the count of 3. Go! I don't know if you guys caught that. She opened the beer with her mouth. Fearless. They're calling all you guys out. What's up?
Create 3 stories, that up the trilogy. And you know I'm rolling with this, not the ozone. I got
Four, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! You better be ready, 10 West. These illegal rider guys right here, man, they're no joke. Look at them. They're fucking ready. They're ready. Okay, here we go, here we go. All right, here we go. We're gonna count you guys down again from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We got a winner. The tug of war competition come up for the gram, Snapchat, for your home. Fearless, where you at? Let me know when you guys are ready so I can count you down. All right, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. This is a good one. This is a good one. Oh, this is a good one. Come on. 3, 2, 1, go. We have a winner. They're the winners. Let's give them a round of applause, everyone. Woo! Gallardo. Sorry, my Spanish is a little hits and puramente chingona. Thank you guys. To come up for the beer chugging contest.
That's a nice trick. Say hey, don't we do this every
Your booty, shake it, shake it, shake it. Hey, 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 we're gonna have a booty shaking contest in a minute. All right, as the beer's on the floor, and go! Three more beers over your head, okay? Ready, set, go!
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magic.